Hey there, business owners. Are you ready to revolutionize your warranty management system? Let me introduce you to ChearaanCRM. Imagine a world where your warranty management is not a headache but a seamless, automated process. That's what ChearaanCRM's warranty management module is all about. It's designed to help you manage your warranty programs effortlessly, from warranty registration to claims management and even repair tracking. ChearaanCRM automates it all. No more piles of paperwork or complicated tracking systems. Just a smooth, efficient process that saves you time and money. Why is warranty management so critical? Because satisfied customers are repeat customers, and effective warranty management can significantly boost customer satisfaction. Happy customers mean increased revenue and reduced costs. Whether you're a small startup or a large corporation, ChearaanCRM adapts to fit your needs, especially if your products or services come with a warranty or guarantee. But here's the game changer. ChearaanCRM integrates seamlessly with our service management module. This integration helps you track, record, and manage all your service processes. You can now improve your service delivery, keeping your customers happy now and into the future. So why wait? Take the leap and revolutionize your warranty management with ChearaanCRM today. Improve customer satisfaction, reduce costs, and watch your revenue soar. ChearaanCRM, making warranty management effortless. See you on the other side of success. Stay tuned, stay successful.